My name is Ataul Haq, and my question is, the situation between Israel and Palestine is very bad these days. What will be the effects on the world?
I have already spoken in my Friday sermon on this issue. The effect on the world is quite clear, that these people are trying to not only to harm themselves, but they are trying to doom the world. The world is going towards its destruction. And as I have already said, it is not going to stop here. It will escalate, and more nations will be involved in it. And quite possible that nuclear arsenal is also used in this war. So we should pray to save the world from the destruction. And we should pray that Allah Ta'ala give them wisdom, and Allah Ta'ala give the capability and wisdom to the big powers to use justice.